Hi, I'm here today with my brother, and I know I haven't posted a video in a long time, but we're gonna do something today. It's the sibling tag, and as you all know, I'm Christy, and this is my brother.
I'm Jonas.
So enjoy, and let's have fun together. So, I'm gonna ask him question, and I'm gonna answer the same questions that I'm asking him.
All right.
And so let's start. What is your middle name?
Huh. Thought I wish I had one.
Well, my middle name is Jeanette. I am not telling you guys. Why are you laughing? I'm not telling you guys my first name, but some of you guys know my first name. But my middle name is Jeanette. So Haitian, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, second question. What is your favorite color?
Favorite color? I have two actually. First one is brown, and the second one is orange. Yep.
Yuck. Anyway, I have two also. First one is black. I love black. I know y'all gonna say black is not a color. I know black is not a color.
It's not.
But I love black. And the second one is red. I love me some red. Yes, I do. Third question. Where were you born?
I was born in a house. It's like, no, I'm playing. I was born in Haiti.
Me too. But unlike him, I was born in a hospital. Yeah, I was. Next question. Who's older?
I am. Well, I wish I was older, but nah, she's older than me, as you can see.
Yeah, I'm older than him. 3 years. By 3 years. So, I was born in 89. He was born in 1992. Yeah, he's a baby. Anyway, next question. Are you in college? Or have you gone to college?
Yes, I am actually a junior at William Paterson.
And I am a senior at Keene University. Whoop whoop. Graduating in May. Shout out to all the people graduating in 2017.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, next question. If you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself?
I mean, of course. Come on, man. Who wouldn't want to be my friend? At least, I guess, but I don't know.
Yes, I would be my friend. I mean, I'm cool. I'm fun to be around. I make people laugh. Who wouldn't want to be my friend? I know it sounds a little conceited. So what?
Okay.
I know I'm cool. Come on. If we were not related, wouldn't you be my friend? Wow.
I'm playing. Don't take me serious, okay?
Anyway, next question. Have you ever had any pets?
Yes. We had multiple, actually.
Yeah, a lot. A lot.
She had a gold pet fish, actually, that she killed, but okay.
I did not.
Let's just scratch this out.
I did. How did I kill the fish? Please explain.
Okay. She came home with the fish, thinking that the fish was alive, and yep, she killed it on the way.
Well,
but it's okay.
That is a lie.
Mm.
That is a lie. I came home with the fish. The fish was alive. The fish was like breathing and everything.
Keep telling yourself that.
And then, not even an hour after I got home with the fish, one of my brothers was playing with the fish, and then they killed it. Put it back in the water because they thought it was fake. They put it back in the water, and then after that, they said, "Oh, that thing was real?" I was like, "Yeah." He said, "Well, it's not moving." When I looked, Fish was dead. But now that I'm thinking about it, I think he killed the fish. Murderer!
That's not the way I remembered it, but okay.
How do you remember the story?
Keep telling yourself that.
How do you remember the story?
Next question.
Oh boy, he killed the fish. He did.
I didn't even know about the fish, but okay.
Anyway, how many siblings do you have?
7. Yes, 7. Well, without counting myself, obviously.
How many brothers and sisters?
I have 5 brothers, 1 sister. Well, 6 brothers and 1 sister.
Yeah, he only has me. He's stuck with me.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, who was your first best friend?
First best friend. There was this one guy in Haiti, like one boy. His name was Nicholas. And I don't know how to say his first name in English, so I'm not even gonna try. So,
How do you say it?
I don't know.
How do you say it in Creole?
Moras.
So in English it's
So if I try to say that
Maurice.
in that does not even make sense, but okay. Yeah.
Maurice.
So, yep. He was the first person that I was cool with. Yeah.
My first best friend was her name was Sterling. Yeah, we went to the same school together. We went to an all-girls school, and yeah, she was my very first best friend. Now she's married with kids, you know. She's doing good. I mean,
It's pretty good.
yeah. Next question. Ooh. What was your favorite / worst subject in high school? Favorite and worst.
Favorite would have been, was math. And worse, I would say English. As you can tell, like, my English is not that good, so it's kind of limited. So, because of that, English wasn't really my favorite. So, yeah. Even now, English is still not my favorite. Yeah, what about you?
Anyway, my favorite was chemistry. I loved chemistry.
Nice.
My worst was math. I hated math. I know you're gonna wonder, like, how do you love chemistry and not math? I don't know.
Good question. Because I'm pretty sure they both have numbers.
Right? But I don't know. I also love bio. It was like bio and chemistry. I would say those two for best. Bio and chemistry. But my worst was just math. Like I couldn't stand math. Every time I saw something about math, I just my head. I had a headache all of a sudden. I couldn't stand it.
Start panicking.
Yep.
Mhm.
Start sweating. Like somebody I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Scratch this out.
What sports do you play or have you played?
Well, I played a lot of sports actually. In high school, I played soccer, obviously, since I'm Haitian. And I played bowling, surprisingly. Tennis, another surprise. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, he did play all these things because he has a lot of trophies at home. In high school, back when I used to go to that all-girls school, I did play volleyball. I started playing volleyball, but then I stopped because I broke a nail, and then I was like,
What?
this. I was like, this is not for me. No. I had to give it up because I couldn't do it.
It's a shame. Shame.
Do you speak any different languages and how well?
Well,
No lie.
What do you mean?
All right, go ahead. Carry
I-
on. Carry on. I said curry on.
What?
Carry on.
Okay. Well, I speak Creole. Obviously, I'm Haitian and French. Ish.
Spanish. That means no French.
And then English.
Ish. He's still learning that, I guess. And what else?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm trying to learn Spanish though. Like, I would really like to learn Spanish. That's
Okay.
pretty much it.
Me, I speak Creole very well. I speak French. Well, I would say I used to speak it very well, but not anymore.
Barely.
I speak English, but I'm still, trying to do better. I mean, it is not my language, so I'm learning it more, trying to learn.
Kind of limited. But
Yeah, get better at it. Spanish. I don't speak Spanish, but I understand Spanish. I can write Spanish, but I don't really speak it. So I guess
it's not bad, at least.
yeah. What are some of your favorite TV shows?
Well, right now I started watching Game of Thrones. I think it's a good show. Yeah. But really favorite would be like Arrow, Flash, like any superhero type of shows. That's what I like. Yeah. What about you?
Me, I like Game of Thrones because that's my show.
Okay.
I like Blackish.
It's not bad.
Orange is the New Black. He's a fan also. I love Orange is the New Black. That's it for now, I guess.
Yeah.
That's it for me. Oh, House of Cards. I love House of Cards.
I never actually watched
My
it yet.
goodness, that show is good.
Grey's Anatomy.
Oh my God. Man, how can I forget? That's my show. Yeah, I love that show. Yeah. What is your favorite food?
Favorite food. Well, anything that has to do with rice
No boy.
is my favorite.
True Haitian.
Yeah, pretty much. Anything that has rice in it, it's my favorite. Pretty much.
I love lasagna. Like, if a man wanna marry me, make me a plate of lasagna. I'll marry you on the spot. Just kidding. I won't marry you on the spot, but you know what I mean.
Priorities.
But yeah, I love lasagna. Like, love it.
Nice.
What is the last thing you bought?
It's not that funny. Well, I
Sorry.
recently bought a TV, maybe like less than a month ago, I think. And apparently it's broke. Like the screen is cracked and everything, and I think the ink inside of it is all messed up.
How did you break it?
I'm still investigating.
Investigating.
But I can't really return it because I can't find the receipt, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm kind of mad about that.
So technically, he wasted money on a TV because he can't return it and get another one for it. And he bought the TV a month ago, and it's broken.
Well, accidents happen.
How that work? Shout out to Paula.
What?
Anyway, she likes to say, how that work? Anyway.
Okay.
The last thing I bought was facial mask. Yeah, I bought a facial mask. And let me tell you about that facial mask. It was a charcoal and brown sugar, whatever color sugar. And I put that thing on my face and it burned my face. Like literally burned my face on this side. I was angry. So I'm not going to wear it no more. That was a waste of money. I guess me and my brother, we have this one thing in common. We love to waste money.
That was just one time.
One too many times. Sorry. I have a cold. Favorite holiday?
I like Christmas time.
Christmas.
Yeah, around like December. Any holidays around December type of thing, like starting from after Thanksgiving. Yeah,
Ooh, Thanksgiving.
I like them. Like Christmas is really one of my favorite though. Yeah.
Me too. I love Christmas. I love the spirit. I mean, people are more friendly.
True
People
that.
are.
They
I
give
don't know.
free stuff.
Yeah, I get free gifts.
Hella free stuff.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, I love Christmas. Who is your male? Well, male for me, female celebrity crush for you.
Have
You
y'all
can give
seen...
two. Give me two.
Two. Okay. First one is Tori Kelly. Obviously,
Oh,
she's
boy.
gorgeous.
He's obsessed with her.
Second one, I would say. Well, I used to like Janae Aiko. I think whatever how you say her last name, Aiko, same thing. Yeah, her. I used to be really into her. But,
What
yeah, for
happened?
now it's
Big Sean took her from you?
let's not talk about this. Yeah, Tori Kelly. Call my number, please.
Oh boy. Don't
No. Okay.
don't call him.
Call me.
For me, I have two. Everybody who knows me knows how much I am crazy about Chris Breezy, honey. Oh yes, I love me some Chris Brown. Oh my God.
Let's see what Soulja Boy do about that.
Let's not talk about that because let's just not talk about that. Anyway, I love Chris Brown like way too much. The boy can sing, the boy can dance. Like, oh my God. I just love him. If you watch this video, Chris Brown, please get at me. Cause
No.
I just
Don't do it.
I wanna sing a song with you.
Don't do it.
Because I love your voice. And I would love for us to like do a music together. So get at me, you know. Second one, I love Leonardo DiCaprio. Like I love him. So yeah, I guess I have a black boy and a white boy. Yeah. I don't discriminate, so I love them all.
Sure.
What is one weird habit that you have? I can say one for you.
Go ahead.
Okay. You know how he is? He loves the winter season. Like, love it. It would be so cold. He would turn off the heat in his room. And he would sleep with a fan on. Who does that? It is freezing.
I know I can't be the only one out there that does that.
Come on, it's freezing. How do you do that?
What you mean? I don't know. I feel like if I'm cold, I sleep way better. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who does that.
Oh boy.
At least I hope.
Do you know a habit for me? A weird one?
I can't think of one now. Surprising.
I would say for me, I sleep on my back and then I have to cross my legs. That's just, I don't know. That's just how I sleep. I love it. I'm comfortable.
I could think of one. I don't know.
For me?
Yeah, in the summertime, like I understand mine is kind of weird. In the winter, like it's cold and then I turn on the fan and then I'm kind of cold. That's understandable, but there's no way that you tell me in the summertime you turn on your heater. That does not work out. There's no way that you sleep any better because you're already hot. Like you're just gonna get hotter.
I love being hot. I don't like being cold.
And
I love being hot. So the heat makes me sleep better in the summertime.
Exactly.
Just like the fan makes you sleep better in the wintertime.
Which people do agree with me, but okay. I don't think people agree with you.
Who agrees here? That's right, crickets. Crickets.
I agree.
Anyway, the very last question. Very, very last one. Tell us a funny story about each other.
Alright, maybe you should go first.
Okay, let me go first. So, I have several stories about him, so I'll give y'all two. I know y'all asked for one, but I'll give two. Well, y'all didn't ask for one. The question asked for one, but I'll give two. The very first one. You see, open your mouth. Okay, he has a broken tooth. It's like broken.
Two actually.
So, when we were kids, like little, we used to play in the dark. So what I did, I blindfolded him, and I told him, "Okay, follow my voice." But mind you, when I was little, I was very evil. Like I was such an evil little girl.
I agree.
I told him, "Okay, come towards me." So he was coming, walking, listening to my voice, so he could walk towards me. And then there was a pole standing, like there was a pole, and I saw the pole, but I did not care. So I kept telling him, "Keep coming, and boom, two. And I started dying. He started crying. I was just dying because it was funny to me. Anyway, next story was, at one point in life, my mother thought that it was cool to put him in the same school as me, which I did not like because I didn't want to babysit anybody. And I told my mom, "Don't do that." She doesn't listen. So I said, "Okay, cool."
Not this one.
I said, "Cool." So there was this boy in the school. He was such a bully. And then one time he was standing, and it was like downtime, like everybody go outside and just play whatever, just to chill. So he was standing, and then him and a bunch of his friends, they were playing basketball with water bottles. So they were playing, and the boy was just standing there. One of them threw the water bottle, and it fell on the boy, and they all ran because they all knew he was such a bully. Me, I was standing on the balcony with my friends, watching, the kids playing downstairs, and I saw him. So he saw all the kids running. Tell me why he stood there. And I'm like, okay, well, he stood there. Maybe it's because he stood there because he saw me watching. He thought I wouldn't, I would come to his rescue. I said, no, not today. So, he ran. Well, everybody ran. He stood there. So the boy came to him. The boy was like, "What did you think you do?" The boy was like, "What are you doing?" He was like, "Oh, nothing." So then the boy was like, "Give me $1." He was like, "Huh?" The boy was like, "Give me $1 now." So he looked in his pocket. He took the $1. He was angry. He was so mad. He took the $1 and he threw it on the floor, and then he ran. And then my friend that was standing next to me on the balcony was like, "Isn't that your little brother?" I was like, yeah. "So are you gonna do something?" "For what?" "You see people running, why not run too?" And mind you, the bully was my friend. But afterwards, I told him something. I was like, "Yo, don't do that again." But he had to learn a lesson. So I guess that was his lesson. But I don't know if he really learned. Anyway.
Nah.
So do you have a story about me?
Well, since I'm younger, so apparently she, I don't know, like she just said, she used to be evil. So what I used to do, right, whenever I used to hit her, like when we were playing around or whatever, I don't know, I would purposely hit her, and then she start crying because obviously, she wanted somebody to come and help her. So, and then when she cries, so she go tell her mother that, "Hey, mom, Jonas hit me, blah, blah, blah." And since I'm younger, so it's kind of weird that your little brother is hitting you and you're the one crying. So it's kind of like the opposite, right? But apparently, so when she go tell our mother that, so mother was like, "What? You gonna let your little brother make you cry?" So my mother ended up beating her for letting me make her cry. So every time that she would cry because I hit her on purpose, when she go tell our mother, she even get a beating because of that, because she had to stood up for herself. And I just kept doing it because I'm like, you know what? And nobody's gonna beat me up for doing it, so why not just keep doing it to her?
Yeah,
So
it was.
I started becoming evil just like her, because she was
It
my
was
example.
crazy. I guess he was getting back at me for the tooth thing, but
You didn't help me with the dollar.
I guess so too.
So
Well, anyway, this is where we end, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and you can leave your comments below and everything. Enjoy your day, and bye-bye.
Deuces.